Good morning, guys. Wish you a very happy Dashera. Now we had a good sleep and we are going to the breakfast table to have our breakfast. Let's meet at the breakfast table. It's a bright sunny day with nature all around.
The buffet breakfast was well laid out. It had variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, starting from fresh fruits, tasty donuts, muffins, bread, South Indian food, North Indian puri sabzi, chicken and fish. In hot beverage they had tea and also offered fresh juice. There was live counters for South Indian dosa and customized omelets.
Since I am a vegetarian, so I chose the vegetarian variety and I can't wait to dive into my plate and try the food. We had our breakfast and it was delicious. It's a hot and sunny day, and as you can see, a lot of people are enjoying in the swimming pool while we head towards the games room.
We were lucky to get the games room free. We had a number of options to try our hands on. Avni and I tried our hands at the foosball and obviously she won. The indoor room had a very decent sized pool table, and Siddharth and Papa made the most by playing a match. And how come Avni not tried the game? She enjoyed the game too in her own way. कैरम बोर्ड का एक राउंड तो बनता है. Papa and I had a great time together. Avni had become pro in football, and there is no prize in guessing who won when she played with her grandparents. Time for a good round of table tennis between the father and the daughter. Indeed, looks like a tough match. We were making the most by refreshing ourselves with recreational activities and relaxing around the resort. It had variety of outdoor activities, and one of them which we enjoyed was balloon shooting. Why should kids have all the fun? We too enjoyed our rounds of balloon shooting. It was indeed fun.
As today was the auspicious day of Dashera, I did tika on my forehead along with Jamara, which symbolizes blessings and love. In today's world, everything is becoming digital, and my sister was on video call to celebrate together. और त्यौहार हो और मीठा ना हो, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
The natural beauty around was breathtaking, and so was the beauty of the resort.
We are going for the lunch. भूख लग गई है काफ़ी ज़ोर से, तो 1:30 बज गया है. रूम क्लीनिंग के लिए बुलाया था, अभी तक आया ही नहीं है, तो हमने बोला अब लंच ही कर लेते हैं पहले, उसके बाद ही बुला के साफ़ करवा लेंगे. सो वी गोइंग टू द रेस्टोरेंट. लेट्स रीच द रेस्टोरेंट एंड देन I'll be back.
Today we chose to have our lunch at the Bhumi restaurant. As we entered, the mind started wandering around the two-storied mud house in the setting of an erstwhile Bengali village, completed with a courtyard. As we took our table, we got an earthly feel and witnessed some amazing Bengali artwork. I could not stop but jig on the sound of the guitar being played at the restaurant.
So, afternoon lunch was very heavy. Then we came back to our rooms and slept. Now it's time for dinner. Not going out as it was raining outside, and we called for food in the house. We'll have our dinner, light dinner because it was very heavy lunch that we did. So we'll take our dinner now and then watch some TV and then go off to sleep as we need to depart tomorrow. So let's meet you tomorrow morning. Time to have our dinner. We have got up. Today is the last day. We are going to check out. So now we'll go to take our breakfast and then move back to our home. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching our series, and we'll come up with new series like this. Till then, ciao.
Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon to get notifications. We are looking forward to see loads of comments from you. Do share your views on how you like the video and what more do you want us to present. Till then, bye.